Hello, we're looking at the pulse profiling abilities of the new USB pulse power meter sensors from Tektronix, the PSM5k series power meter. This is the user interface that resides on the PC. Right off the bat, you can see that we can set the frequency, which sets the calibration table so that we get accurate measurements of this signal. We can set the sweep time for how long of a sweep we want in our panoramic view here. And we can also set a reference level change, and I'm going to do that. I'm going to change to a 5 dB per division and an upper limit of 5 dBm in my measurement window. And the way I will make my measurements is I will zoom in on part of that data. We can also set up, before we get into our measurements, we can set up averaging and filtering. We can place up to 5 markers in the display, and we can measure off of those markers over here. We'll see the data over here. We can also do measurements on gates. And so if you see over here, first off, we always get these measurements. So we've got the peak power, the pulse power, the crest factor, the average power, and the duty cycle. We always get those. Those are kind of the standardized measurements. But we can also do measurements with gates. So for instance, I'm going to make a rise time measurement with this gate on this pulse. And I will take a fall time measurement on the same pulse with this set of gates. And with gate C, I will do a pulse width. So I'll go ahead and grab the whole thing. And now you can see that I measure my rise time at 162.5 nanoseconds, my fall time at 159 nanoseconds, and my pulse width is at 2 microseconds. So we can use gates to make additional measurements. We also can control the displays and the display options. We can print our data. We can save setups and recall setups from here. So we have a very, very nice solution for making pulse profiling measurements with the new Tektronix 5000 series USB pulse power meters.